So if you're new to manifestation, or even if you're a pro at it, try manifesting in this way to get maximum results. Control your mind and you will control everything. Namaste. My name is Guri and I help people raise their vibration to manifest their future self. So if you're new to this channel, please give some love by subscribing the channel. Did you know that your attitude, your thoughts, your expectations, your behavior are like magnets, and they're always attracting everything and everyone that enters in your life, both positive and negative? So if the answer is yes, which means channeling your attention and taking control of your thoughts is very important for your manifestations to show up. Manifestation always happen in the present, not in the past, not in the future. So which means you need to disconnect from the past and from the outcomes of the future and keep your focus on the present. I always try to do some experiment with my practice and to see different results from different techniques, because I just get so bored with the same routine. So I need some change after once in a while. So if you're new to manifestation, or even if you're a pro at it, try manifesting in this way to get maximum results. So this is a step-by-step process that you can follow when you sit for your manifestation practice. So the first thing that you need to do is breath work. Breath work helps you to calm your mind, declutter your thoughts, and keep your focus in the present. Remember when I said manifestations only happen in the present. So it's very important that you keep your focus in the present, because you cannot bring new ideas and you cannot welcome your manifestations to show up when your mind is cluttered with so many thoughts. So let everything go and do this breath work for 5 to 10 minutes just before moving into the next step. So you can choose to do any kind of breath work. I try to do a breath work technique. It's called 3-6-6-3. So what you do, you inhale on a count of 1, 2, 3, and then you hold your breath on a count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you exhale on a count of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you again hold on a count of 1, 2, 3, and then you repeat for 5 to 10 minutes. And after like 5 minutes, you will start feeling that you are becoming more present. Your focus is on your breath. Your focus is in the present moment. If you want to learn about mindfulness and how to control your thoughts, you can also check out my free course on Skillshare. Just sign up and enjoy. So the next step is to open your heart, because your body has this electromagnetic field around you. So the more intense your emotions, your feelings are, it becomes easier to attract, because the universe is about feelings, right? So you need to feel in order to manifest. So bringing your awareness on your heart center and maybe breathing in and out through your heart will open up your heart. Or maybe you can chant some mantras, or maybe do some kind of visualization just to open up your heart chakra. That will really help you to feel the intensity of your emotions. Next step is to practice gratitude, because gratitude is the most powerful emotion which will help you to raise your vibration instantly. Also, when you're practicing gratitude, you're shifting your mind from scarcity to abundance, right? Because abundance mindset is very important. So add this practice before you enter into the next step. If you have trouble feeling grateful, start with something that you already have in your life and graduate to maybe feeling something that you are grateful for today, right? So the moment that you're manifesting, just think about something that you're grateful for. It can be anything. So now you are graduating into the next step, which is a very important part of manifestation. It's visualization. So now it's time to imagine. It's time to use the power of your mind. Because with the power of your mind, you will be able to create that scenario, those movies that you want to play in your head, right? So what you are doing now is you're controlling your attention, you're channeling your energy in the right way. So keep your focus there, use all of your senses and be in that movie. And remember that you are the main lead in your story. So whatever is happening in that movie, it's happening all around you, and it's happening with you and within you. So just keep on imagining that your goal has been already accomplished and that you are living that life, your dream life. So it's like quantum jumping, right? So you're ignoring the reality, the present, and then you're jumping into that parallel reality, right? So by ignoring the reality doesn't mean that you're gonna just ignore the fact where you're living, or you're gonna ignore the people. Ignoring the reality means that your inner world should be more powerful, more stronger than the outer world, right? So you need to take control of your inner world if you want to see the changes in the outer world. I recorded this amazing manifestation meditation, which you can check out on my channel. This will help you to put you in the right vibration. So I'll put the links in the description if you want to check it out. So the final step, so after your visualization, so now you're gonna practice non-attachment, because this is one of the most important step, like all other steps, right? So in non-attachment, what you are doing is you're letting go of the outcome, right? So it's like playing the game but not expecting the outcome, right? So you are not attached to that, right? But you're still enjoying the process, right? You're doing your manifestation practice, and after that you're letting go of everything. So now just go out, do your tasks, see your family, have some fun, and try to be in that happiness, try to be in that vibration, right? So that's very important to maintain that, right? Whenever your mind goes towards the outcome, just bring it back and stay here in the present. And that's non-attachment, because now you're not attached to the outcome, right? So there is not that wanting energy that you have with you. So now you're living in the present, which means manifestations will happen, because manifestations always happen in the present. Once you do all these things, I'm sure that you will start seeing those little manifestations happening in your life. Just notice and become more aware of those little manifestations, because those little manifestations make your belief stronger. Because every little manifestation is a proof that you're aligning yourself with the vibration of your future self. So follow this step-by-step process every single day, and do your manifestations after you wake up and before you go to bed. If you want to know more about manifestation, meditation, how to calm your mind, check out my other videos as well. If you got some value out of this video, please hit that like button and also share your views in the comments. And feel free to share with your family, your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. By then, sending you so much love, light, and